Hey gang, in our book we're working with how to complete a perfect square trinomial. A trinomial has 3 terms in it, and this is a perfect trinomial right here. And what we do, this equals this because we have a plus x squared, and of course if we expand it out, we're going to have a plus x squared times x plus a squared. And if we go ahead and we multiply that out, we're going to have x squared, and then we're going to have plus ax, and then we have a plus ax plus a squared. So we have that. Now if we combine our like terms, x squared, we have 1, 2 ax's plus a squared. And that is the same thing as we have here. So that is our perfect trinomial. All right, so now let's try to find our third term to a trinomial. And we have x squared plus 10x plus blank. What is it? Well, if we look here, we have x squared, we have 2x, 2ax, and 10x. Let's put those equal to each other. So we have 2ax equals 10x. Yes, we're trying to find this, and we're getting to it. Well, let's divide both sides by x. We get rid of them, all right? So 1x over x is 1, x over x is 1. So now we have 2a equals 10. Well, what is a? We divide both sides by 2. A equals 5. So if a equals 5, then if we're going to put it back into here as our third term, 5 squared is 25. So that means that a squared equals 25. So this would be our third term right here. That would complete our perfect square. So we're going to set up now, we're going to do a formula. So here's our formula. We're going to go ahead and take 1/2 of the middle term, and then we're going to square it. Okay? So we can write that another way. We can say m divided by 2, all right, our middle term, that's our middle term, that's 10 here, divided by 2, and we can square it. Okay, or if we write it out, 1/2 the middle term all right, and squared gives us our third term here. All right, so this, please remember this. This will be a question, and it'll be a test question. So please remember that. You can remember any one of these 3. They all are the same. 1/2 the middle term squared, or the middle term divided by 2 squared. 1/2 the middle term squared is the same thing. Thank you for listening. I hope that that helped you